Едем на передподготовку.
Let's see more of newest Putin troops that are mobilized for Ukrainian war. This mobilized Russians from Sakhalin are sent to Kamchatka for some training before going to Ukraine. They already have their hands full.
На Камчатку. Пацаны, мужики, все здесь. Это все тут. Все нормально. Все живы, здоровы пока.
After Iran has sent its drones to help the stumbled Russian military, Ukrainian forces shot down 2 Shahed 136 drones over the Dnipropetrovsk region. For the first time in Ukraine, anti-aircraft fighters of the Air Command south of the Air Force of the Armed Forces of Ukraine shot down a multi-purpose strike UAV of Iranian production Mohajer-6, designed for reconnaissance, surveillance, and fire damage. Servicemen of the Ukrainian 73rd Naval Center putting another Russian vehicle out of service by dropping a modified grenade right into its engine. This is barbarian Russian bombardment of Ozern village, which is captured by Ukraine and Donetsk region. This is horrible.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.